What's going on, guys? Finally back with another video. This is basically just an update on the 135. It's been a while since I put out something. I think the last video I had was me installing coilovers, but this car's had a lot of changes since then, and I'll go over everything that I've done. Alright, so the first thing I want to go over is what I did performance-wise. Originally, right after my coilovers, I sold my bags and I bought a Doc Race 6266 ball bearing kit. I drove that around for about 5,000 miles in a little over a year. As you can see, it's off the car now, but I had a lot of fun with that setup. It was really fun to learn how to install all of that, but looking to get a house pretty soon, so wanted to recoup some money. So I took the kit off and I bought inlets and outlets from VRSF. And now the car is tuned on E40, the V5 map from MHD. I got rid of JB4. So the whole setup right now is inlets and outlets from VRSF. VRSF 7-inch HD intercooler. Got a VRSF charge pipe with a tile blow-off valve. I have a Burke mid pipe that's resonated and a BMW Performance muffler. For those who haven't seen it, I have Fortune Auto coilovers with Swift springs. Still running 7 clicks front and rear for the dampening. I have the Berger Motorsports cowl filters, and I did the DIY cut for the cowl. I have my coolant tank relocated. I still have the Doc Race bracket over here, and I fabricated this other bracket here to mount onto the strut tower just to get the coolant reservoir a lot more solidly mounted. This vacuum side catch can is my latest upgrade. It's just a generic catch can with a bracket that I made with some 16 gauge steel I had laying around. I have the RB turbo adapter down here that goes between the throttle body and the brake booster hose just for a vacuum source. And then I have the external PCV valve from RB up here. I currently don't have a high side catch can. I have the ADE fitting right now with my flapper valve down there, just going into the inlet here. It still has some smoking on deceleration, so I'm trying to figure out that still. I upgraded my bumper to the 1M style. I bought this off somebody on Facebook. He posted it in the same day that he did. I went and picked it up, and he said he had a bunch of offers already, but it matches the paint perfectly, jet black. I picked up some Forgestar F14s for the front and back. The rear is a 17 by 9.5 with a 275/40/17, and then the front is 17 by 8.5 with a 245/40/17. The front tires are just a generic Sumitomo all-weather tire, and then in the back I have the Falcon Zenus. These are the RT615K. They have tons of grip. I love these tires. They're honestly probably the best tires I've had so far on any of my cars. As you can see, I have black line taillights, which is a must if you have a 135i. And I sold my diffuser. This way it isn't something else that I'm losing money on when I go to sell the car. I built my own subwoofer box with some fiberglass resin and fiberglass sheets, and I covered it in automotive carpet. And then underneath here I have my amp hidden. It's an Alpine amp. I have a BMW Performance wheel with the blue stripe on it, and then the suede shift boot. And Donovan gave me his old shift knob from his 235i, and then I got all the aluminum trim from my buddy that worked for LKQ. He got me all the aluminum trim for this car for nothing, which is pretty cool. And I sold the piano black. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. Everything I have done to the car. Super excited for what's coming in the future. I'll keep my YouTube channel updated. This will be for sale pretty soon, so if you're interested in possibly buying it, feel free to leave a comment down below or shoot me a message either here or Instagram. My Instagram is at Andreweatstacos, just like YouTube. If you guys want some videos of maybe my truck in the meantime, feel free to also leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.